Here at AG Aesthetic Center, we offer neurotoxins, fillers, and biostimulators. Neurotoxins help relax the muscles. Fillers will replace what volume is missing, and biostimulators help with collagen and elastin production, leading to tighter skin. Candidates for this type of treatment come in all ages. Patients who are seeking to have a mild relaxation of some of the expression lines, to improving mild skin laxity with biostimulators, or even slight volume loss or having a little bit more of a plumper look. So it really comes down to what is the patient looking for, what are they trying to achieve. Many of these procedures can be done during a lunch break. Neurotoxin treatment can be anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. When we're talking about filler treatments, that can be additional half hour. In terms of biostimulation, it can be anywhere from half hour to actually an hour, depending on what areas we're treating, because biostimulation can be utilized anywhere from head to toe. Results of neurotoxin treatments are amazing. I mean, we all have them, and it's the #1 non-invasive procedure that's performed in the United States year after year. The full effect of the neurotoxin, it will be sometime around the 2-week mark. So that's when you really see the complete relaxation of the muscles that were treated. Fillers, you see immediate result, and patients get excited. Their final look will be somewhere in the 2 weeks to 4 weeks range, because initially there's some swelling that's associated with it. When we're talking about biostimulators, including exosomes, you don't see those immediate results right away. This is very similar to Morpheus or laser treatments, and that will take anywhere from 3, 6, 9 months up to a year.